Alright guys, so this is the morning after our lovely snowstorm and the rain on top. So this stuff's pretty hefty. Mike is cleaning up. Thank goodness for that tractor. Bright side of this, look at that mountain to play on. We have plenty now. It's very windy out here. My nose will not stop. As you can see, we've already done a lot of the shoveling. We pull everything away from the house, and then he starts pushing it. Already shoveled over there too. It's slippery. There's ice all underneath this from the previous rain that we got, so it's making it really hard. He's had to cut this in half. There he goes. Hasn't been warm enough to melt anything, so. While he's cleaning. Yeah, a lot of ice. That building right there is going to end up being our, we call it a craft barn, but we are going to open eventually a little store in there, kind of like a gift shop. And when Maggie has milk, I will have raw milk and eggs, as well as butter. See Nate or Maggie out. I think they're close to their barn. So windy. We're getting there. I'm getting ready to head out and start shoveling around the ducks. We did make them a little bit of a bank for a wind barrier. I shoveled most of the chickens, but he's going to be moving some of the piles today. We've been taking breaks because it's so cold out here. The wind is awful. We're coming in for a little coffee and warm up by the fire for a few minutes. You can now see the end of our driveway. So we took a little break, and then we're going to be heading out to the back to clean out there. I'll show you some clips of that as we go. It's gonna blow all the snow off the roof. We won't even have to worry about that. Holy. I don't know if you guys can see down there, but Mr. Nate is out. He's at the hay box. He's a trooper. She's in for break. All right, after a much needed break, we are now out here. This will take us a little while. But you know, even though it's cold and windy, this is nothing compared to what East Tennessee is experiencing right now. Please keep those people in your prayers. Wish them well. So I'm getting ready to bring Nate and Maggie some hay. It is just so darn windy that they are not impressed by the wind standing outside at their hay box. So we're gonna bring them some of that. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so I just brought Nate some hay in the barn because it's cold and he wasn't liking this, so he's eating a little bit of hay. Hi, buddy. Maggie is crazy. She's standing outside. Hi, Max. And he's still cleaning. Oh, here comes the wind. So I shoveled the ducks their little path. We haven't let them out of that little run that they're in because we've had a hawk around the past couple weeks. He did get one of my baby bantam chickens who loves to fly out of the coop. I had her for almost 5 years, just shy of 5 years. So now I have another bantam that's in the coop that I put in a crate because she also was attacked, but I got there in time. Maggie! So yeah, the ducks, they don't protect themselves like the male chickens protect the female chickens. So that's why they're still in there. I'm getting ready to go give them some more hay because it's really windy in there. There, the ducks are happy now. They have some hay. I gave them some fresh water. Now we're getting ready to go put the bucket on the tractor instead of the pusher because he's going to move some banks. Alright guys, we're going to finish cleaning up. Have a good day. Stay safe. God bless. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And thank you. Bye.